So welcome guys, today we're gonna learn how to create map animation like this. So this drone type of animation view is created on Google Earth Studio. So for that you have to click on earth.google.com/studio, and after going on that you will have interface like this. From here you can choose blank project. If you have already created a project, so you can open that from here, and for a new project you can go for blank project, or for beginners you can go with quick starts. So I'm going with quick starts for easy understanding. So let's go. From here you can get four types of shoot. So first one is zoom to, and second one is orbit. So for orbit you can choose a place or structure like Eiffel Tower, or you can orbit around that. And for the third you can go point, and last one is spiral. So I am going with orbit. For orbiting you have to choose a location. So for the location I am choosing Eiffel Tower. So here you can search Eiffel Tower, then select the Eiffel Tower. So I am aligning it in the middle, then click next. So here you have to correct the camera position where you want to the camera. Here is the exact camera position that I want. You can choose the altitude of the camera. Yeah, as you can see, the animation is going to be look like this if I play. Yeah, then you can choose clockwise or anti-clockwise. For clockwise you can see it's rotating clockwise. If I uncheck it, it will rotate anti-clockwise. So let's click next, and here you can choose time. If I choose 30 seconds, the video is going to be run faster, and if I choose 60 seconds, the video is going to be slow. So I choose 30 and then click next. So as you can see, like other video editor, we have timeline here, and here is the camera view, and this is the top view. If I play in the timeline, the video is quite good. From here you can change the longitude, latitude options, and so many other options. You can add attributes like time, day. From here you can choose time of the day. So for time of the day you can change the time for the video. So here you can choose the position of sun by turning it on. Here we have clouds, ocean overlays, 3D buildings. So I am just taking time of day and clouds. So after taking the time attribute, you can choose the time for the video. Like if I choose 4 AM here, then turn on the keyframe and place it to the last, and after making it 8 AM, the video is going to be look like this. Yeah, it's look quite awesome. So yeah, so we have our animation here. So after you have done doing your animation, we have to go to render. From here you can choose image sequences, which will render in your local disk, or you can choose video. For video it will be render in cloud. So after that I am not gonna change anything here. The only texture quality I want high. So then I will click submit. After submitting to render, it will take some time. After the render is completed, it will automatically give you a email, and from that email you can download the rendered video. Or you can go to here and animation and cloud render for see that your render is running here. So after the render is completed, I will show you how the rendered video look like. So as you guys can see, my video is ready. So from here I can download the video. After clicking download, the video is downloading. So here is our drone view, Google Earth map animation. You can use it anywhere in your project. So thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe the video if you want more content like this. Thank you.